In every video game, you start weak. Low stats, no abilities, just another level 1 noob. But as you play, you level up. You get stronger. You unlock new skills. You take down harder enemies. And the more you play, the better your stats get. Now imagine if life worked the same way with a game system. Wouldn't that make real-life progress feel as exciting as leveling up in a video game? Let me ask you, if you can win in video games, why can't you win in real life? If life had the same mechanics, a structured system that gave you clear feedback, real progress, and a reason to push forward every single day, you would probably become unstoppable. That's where Level Life comes in. Here's how it works. This is the homepage of Level Life system. You can customize any and everything in this system. Like here, I have made my system based on the solo leveling theme. First up, you will get a status window, which you can use to track your levels, stats, ranks, gold balance, and progress just like in video game character. You can edit and change the image if you want. Next up is the enemies system. Bad habits, distractions, and weaknesses. They become enemies that you must defeat. Their HP reduces as you earn EXP. You can edit and add enemies as well. Then here you will see a few widgets and a vision board. You can use them or add more widgets to stay productive. Then next up is the class section. Here you can create your classes and subclasses. They are like areas of life you are leveling up. You can create as many of these as you want. You can change the images as well, and even set a particular goal for each class. Next up is the marketplace. This is like an inbuilt shop which you can use to buy rewards once you have enough gold to practice delayed gratification. You can edit the rewards and add as many of them as you like. When you click on purchase, your gold balance will get deducted and the item status will change. When you click on return, your gold balance will return to its previous state. Next up, we have the quest board. With this, you can turn every task into a quest. Completing it will give you XP according to difficulty settings. Here you can toggle the status of the quest, whether it is not started, in progress, on hold, or completed. Also, when you fail a quest, you will get negative EXP, reducing your level and rank. This feature is extremely useful for quitting bad habits. You can select a particular class for each quest. The current and goal feature works to show you the progress remaining for a quest. For example, if I have total 10 steps to complete for a quest, and you do like 5 of them, this progress bar will update. You can toggle the difficulty level of the quest. You can also add a completion date for the quest. There is also an inbuilt automated daily quest system. First, you have to click on this blue button over here, select New Template, then fill all the details of the quest, then save it. Then click on the blue button again, click on 3 dots and select Repeat and Daily. With this, now this quest will be created every day and appear in your quest board. Check the link in description for the Level Life system. When you get this system, you will also receive a full, in-depth walkthrough and customization tutorial. This isn't just another productivity system. This is your new gamified reality. You don't need motivation anymore. Because now every grind session, every study session, feels like an actual level up. Now you have a system, a way to win. You can keep trying to force discipline with willpower, suffering through boring tasks with no sense of progress. Or you can activate your Level Life system and make real-life improvement feel as addictive as your favorite video game. You are not an NPC, you are the player. So, are you ready to level up?